Stare at seagulls to stop them stealing your food.
Scientists may have found a way to prevent seagulls from stealing your food. A study by British researchers tested dozens of gulls. The birds took more time to steal a potato chip if the person was facing them.
Researchers have come up with a useful tactic to deter seagulls.
But now researchers here in the UK say the best way to stop a gull from gulping your lunch is to stare it down.
This invaluable tip comes from a study from the University of Exeter in the UK. Researchers conducted tests at a beach on the effects of staring at the seabirds. They put a bag of fries on the ground and monitored how long it took gulls to approach and snatch the fries without a researcher looking at the birds. They then carried out the same test, but this time a researcher made eye contact as a bird approached.
We found that overall gulls took longer to approach when I was looking at them. Some wouldn't touch the food at all when I was looking at them, though all did approach and touch the food when I was looking away.
On average, the gulls took 21 seconds longer to approach when being stared at.
Lead researcher Madeleine Goumar said, "I noticed that gulls seemed to have a bad reputation for food snatching, but I saw it happen quite rarely. When I did see it happen, gulls often swooped in from behind, and the people were completely oblivious. Gulls are often seen as aggressive and willing to take food from humans." The researchers concluded that the seagulls were deterred by the human gaze.
It seems that perhaps it's only a small number.
Only 26% of the birds made an attempt to take the researchers' food with the eye contact. 3/4 of the birds just stood still and looked at the food or flew away.
The research team added, a small number of gulls may actually be giving the rest a bad name.